Hello traders, Dez here with Grok Trade. It's Monday, July 8th, 2013. It's my sincere pleasure to have the opportunity to serve you this evening. Take a look here at the broad markets. We have the S&P up 0.5% with the Dow up about the same. However, Nasdaq lagged the markets, but up 0.16%. The Russell small caps up 0.4%, with the banks barely in positive territory at all, so not giving any support to the broad markets as a whole. VIX down, but not by much, only 0.74%, not confirming today's bullish move. And I'll explain to you why the banks didn't follow and the VIX did not drop like it should. And we have precious metals here. We have gold up 1.2%, about the same here on silver. Crude oil down 0.4%, with the US dollar down 0.26%. Take a look here at the S&P 500. If you haven't done so yet, feel free to pause the video, redraw the lines. We do have a big symmetrical triangle that we're looking at here. This line has not changed its upper trend line. So let's zoom in, take a look at what's taking place here. We have resistance. We drop, we pop up a little bit, break through, but come right back down. We drop, 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 drop. Here we get a bullish harami, almost a piercing pattern type harami with a nice pop. Finding resistance 20-day moving average, we do drop, finding support at the rising 50-day moving average. So the price action gets caught with a white, red, white formation between the two moving averages with a pop. This pop and drop gave us another major swing, but this was a lower swing low. A significant drop, bam, bam, and just keeps cracking southbound. We go lower, we come back up, close, and then we go back into a bullish harami reversal pattern, and we go northbound, finding resistance at the 20-day moving average and the 50-day, breaking through that on Friday on very light volume, and then on Monday today we pop, hitting yet again this trend line. We at one point went above it. People sold into that, pulling back with a close right at it. Again, if you know how to draw trend lines correctly, these trend lines help you make a ton of money here in the market. So this is what's expected. We've gone up for the last couple weeks here. We have a big opportunity now at a resistance point to reverse. I expect to see a doji, some sort of shooting star, perhaps even a bearish engulfing pattern, thrusting pattern. And we could get a dark cloud cover. A lot of reversal patterns expected right here going into Tuesday, so that'd be something we're going to be watching for. So we have a lot of moving averages below that can act as support, so I would not be looking to go long going into the rest of this week unless we break out of this resistance point, and if it's so, we could get a significant run to the upside. So that would be very good. Now, once a month we do something very special, and I want you to be our guest. And go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Once you go here, what I want you to do is go to events or go to upcoming events right here, and you're going to see gaps and trend reversal patterns. I threw a lot of names at you on the reversal patterns. If you want to learn them, we have a free event. And they're not going to be free for too much longer. We're looking to put a price tag on these, but minimal cost. And if you want to enjoy this free, come and be a part. It's live training. So it goes beyond just the recorded ones that you get. We will be talking about gaps, which is very important. This is a 101 education class, so it's very basic, so do not be scared or timid about showing up to this class like it's going to go over your head. We make sure that everybody leaves with a full understanding what it is that we're teaching. So with that, I hope you can join us. Get registered. You have to get registered. If you cannot make it at this time, this is Eastern Standard Time, no problem. If you do register, you will in fact get a recording. Yeah, so that's good. And anyway, here is the day trading chat room that Mark does. If you log on and you're a premium subscriber, you can have access to the chat room in the mornings and day trade live with master traders. If you just want some stock picks to look at each and every week, right here you get the weekly V newsletter. Or if you want the 201 trading courses, definitely look to get that. Tonight's last night. If you want to do the 201 trading courses for the discounted price of 37% off, you got to use 437, and that will give it to you. All the premium products right here. You can do the chat room 30 days free of charge. You can get a discount on the 201s, the V newsletter, you get 2 weeks free if you want to do that. So anyway, hope all is well with you and yours. Take care. Share us with a friend. Hope all is well.